Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. With this video, we're gonna start indicators. Indicators are important because we need to get information as much as we can, and those indicators gonna give some signal for us. That's why it's pretty important while you're making some trading. So let's start. Today we're gonna learn moving average. We call it MA cross. When you open your chart, you will see there is an indicator part. You can type the name and it's gonna show up straight away. I click it, and when I click it, it came on my chart. As you can see, there is new lines. So what should I understand from these lines? First of all, I will change the time frame, because if I explain it with daily time frame, it's gonna be more understandable. These lines are giving us some signal. When these lines are crossing, they telling us the market gonna down, will drop down, or gonna rise up. As you can see, there is the orange one cross down of the green one, and there is drop down. And when it's opposite, the orange one cross up, there is rise. When we understand that, we will see some cross part, and we will make some trade. We will combine it with our trading. If I see there is some formation and I see there's a cross, I will know it will up, and I will earn 12%. Like that. That's easy. Now, let me just clarify it. First of all, I'll change the visibility to let you see better. Yes. So there is two different MA, as you can see, short MA and long MA. Short MA, short moving average, is orange one. It's telling me there is 9 candle average value. I made it daily time frame to let you understand easily. That's mean the 9 days of candle values going like that. As you can see, the orange one, yes. And the long MA mean 21 days average value. The green one also giving me 21 candles average value. So when you see there is, if you are making short time, you can keep like that, but I'll also change after a while. When you see there is short time, 9 days moving average cross down of the green one, long MA, there is a drop. When the short one cross off the green long MA, there is a rise. So when I know that, I can, as I said, combine with some other technical analysis. That's good. When you are making short time, like daily trading, you can use with that 9 to 21 days. But if you are looking for high time frame, I can suggest you to make it with 50 days and long MA 200 days. As you can see, the line shape are changed. That means short MA showing me 50 days 50 candlesticks average value, and long MA giving me 200 candlestick average menu. 200 days because it's one day time frame. So let me say okay, yeah. And yes, as you can see, it's changed. In a 1 day time frame, if I see the short MA cross off the long MA, I will expect a rise. And also we call it golden cross. When there's a golden cross, I will know the market will turn on uptrends, and I will know that the time to make some long position. If it's opposite like that, let me find it. It's not opening. Let's try to find over here. When I see opposite, the short moving average cross down of the green long moving average, I will know that there will be some downtrend. So if I know that, I can consider as a short position. That's cool. When there's a cross out and rise, I will know that when my long and short moving average expanded to each other, there will be higher rise, but also it's getting risky because when it's so expanded, you need to know on some certain point it can drop down because price getting so high and high. In crypto, in stocks, like everywhere like that, if the price rise so much, some certain point it will drop down. It will keep moving some, it will keep making some zigzag movement as usual. So if I discover it over here, if I find that here, I will consider as a long trade. And if I catch this, even if you're taking spot, not leverage, when you see this golden cross, when you see that cross out, you can just buy and you can get, gosh, which coin is it, like 600 percentage profit? Yes. Which time is it? Yes, 2020. So I wish we would back that time, but anyway, it's never late. When you think that you missed all the opportunity, that's the big mistake ever. I can say it. In crypto, there is always have some opportunity. Just try to, follow it up. As you can see, if you bought over here and you just keep it, when you see that moving average golden cross, you can earn like 60 percentage profit. That's really huge. It's stated time frame, that's why it's like looking very huge. Anyway, basically you understand that when you are open your moving average, you can just follow up the cross down and cross up, and when this happen, you can combine it with your other analysis and you can get profit. That's just good confirmation.